Hi children, today I will explain about cycloalkenes and cycloalkynes. Cycloalkenes means cyclic group contains double bond. Cycloalkynes means cyclic group contains triple bond. Right. First example. What is this what type of cyclic compound it is? It contains 6 carbon atoms in the ring and also one double bond present. Now I think students asking so many times, so double bond is present here, then how can we give the numbering for this double bond? Here there is no chance to give the numbering for this one, because this is if it take given 1 2 or 1 2, no problem, because this structure is similar in number of ways. Means if you draw this double bond here, both are same. If draw this one here, same, here same, same. If only one double bond present, we can write or we can draw double bond between any two carbon atoms present in the cyclic ring. So this compound name is cyclohexene, cyclohexene, because this is cyclic, that's why cyclo, and number of carbons 6 hex, and only one double bond is present in, and only one double bond means no need to mention the position of the double bond. Next, very easy. How many carbons in this one? 4 carbons. So cyclobutene. Right. Next example. In this example, how many carbons? 1 2 3 4 5. So triple bond is present, only one triple bond is present, so pentyne. Okay nana? Right. Next example. See this example. Yes, one double bond is present between these two carbon atoms, and also two substitutions are present. Two substitutions are present means give the lowest, we have to follow the lowest sum rule. If given numbering like this 1 2, so one substitution at this carbon 3 4 5 6, and also 6th position, so 2 plus 6 means 8. If numbering gives from this side 1 2 3, 1 and 3, so 1 plus 3 only 4, so give numbering from this side 1 2 3 and write the name. This is the methyl substitution, this is the nitro group, so methyl starts from M, nitro starts from N, so follows the alphabetical order because two substitutions are present. First write the substitution 1 methyl, 3 nitro. Okay nana? 1 methyl, 3 nitro. Substitution part is completed. Next, cyclic ring is there, so cyclo. How many carbons in this ring? 6. So hex, and double bond present at first position, so 1 in. I think no need to write hex 1 in, because first position means no need to mention, so directly we can write hexene also. Correct answer. Next one. Next example, fourth example. See this example. Yes, cyclic ring is present. In cyclic ring 6 carbons are present, one substitution, one multiple bond is present. So one multiple bond is present means based on that multiple bond we have to give the numbering, but there is two possibilities 1 2 3 4 5 6, and another chance 1 2 3, just 1 2 3 completed substitution, so give the numbering from this side 1 2 3. Okay, right. Now what is this compound name? At third position one methyl group is present, so 3 methyl. Substitution part is completed. Next, cyclohexene. Okay, completed. Next one. This example. See this example. Here also, this is also cyclic compound, and one triple bond is present, and also one substitution is present. Based on this triple bond, give the numbering. So give the numbering from how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4. One chance, second chance. 1, 2, 3. So this is the correct one. So 1, 2, 3. At third position, substitution is present. 3 methyl cyclobutane. Okay, completed. Next one. This one very interesting. This is for this one, cyclic group is present, multiple bond is present, and 2 substitutions are present. So there is no functional group, multiple bond is present. Based on that multiple bond, we have to give the numbering. Here also, this is this type of numbering and this type of numbering. So which is the correct one? First I will check this one. 1, 2. At first position, 1 methyl groups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth position, 1. So first plus 6 means total 7. Now from this side, 1, 2, 3. Second place, third place. So 2 plus 3, 5. So this is the lowest sum. So 1, 2, 3. This is one substitution. This is also one substitution. And both are same substitutions. Those are that are methyl groups. So 2, 3. 2, 3 dimethyl 2, 3 dimethyl cyclohexene, because at first position it is present, so hexene, right? So first model completed, Nana. First model means simple cycloalkenes and cycloalkynes, and also if substitutions are present, how can we have to write? And second model, second type, if functional group is attached to the cyclic ring. Second one, if functional group attached to cyclic ring. And also most important, this functional group contains OH. There is no carbons. NH2, there is no carbons. This is C double bond O, but that C is present in the, on C the third one. This is C double bond O, but that C is present in the cyclic ring. So there is no specific, okay, specific like COOH, COR, CONH2, CH4. For that type of cyclic functional groups are directly attached to the cyclic ring. There is another method of IUPAC nomenclature. Now see this one, these examples for second model. First example, on cyclic ring contains one functional group. This is the alcohol. Okay, so based on this one, give the numbering, but there is no other functional groups or other multiple bonds or any other substitutions are present in this one. So just only one functional group is present. Just we can write simply, this is cyclopent or pentane. Okay, only single bond, so cyclic pentane, one ol, or simply cyclopentanol, sorry, pentanol, ol. Okay, second example, cyclic group, one functional group is present, NH2, NH2 means amine group, so this is cyclobutane, one amine, or another name, cyclobutanamine. Okay, third one, this example, C double bond is the functional group. No need to give the numbering because only one functional group is present. So cyclohexane one one or cyclohexanone. Okay, next one. Next model. Third model. If carbon containing functional group is directly attached to a cyclic ring. So functional group is attached, but that functional group contains the carbon containing. Carbon containing means CHO, CN, CHO, COOH, COOR and CONH, that type of functional groups. We know that I already given one table to you for this type of for COOH. What is the suffix name? Carboxylic acid. For COOR, alkyl carboxylate. For COX, carbonyl halide. For CONH2, carboxamide. For CN, carbonitrile. For CHO, carbaldehyde. Just to have to remember, I already given this list for you. Now check it. What is the name of the first compound? This is, of course, this is one cyclic compound. In this compound, 5-member ring is present and one functional group is present. But that functional group is containing carbon. That carbon containing functional group is directly attached to the cyclic ring. So this one name is, we know that very easy. These are also only one type are present. Okay, Nana. The name is first write cyclopentane. This is cyclopentane. This functional group is carbaldehyde. Continuation. Actually, this is continuation. Cyclopentane carbaldehyde. And this one for CN, what is the name? Carbonitrile. So this compound name is cyclopentane carbonitrile. Next, third one. This compound contains two functional groups. One is C double bond O, another one is CHO. But in the priority order, CHO comes first. So based on this one, you have to give the numbering. So numbering means 1, 2, 3. So this functional group acts as a substitution. And what is the prefix name of C double bond O? Simply oxo. So 3-oxo. Substitution part is completed. Remaining part is easy, same. So cyclohexane and what type of main priority functional group? CHO. So carbon containing, so carbaldehyde. Next one. This compound also contains two functional groups, COOH and C double bond O. But COOH is a main functional group. This one should be acts as a substitution. Give the numbering 1, okay, 2, 3. So again 3-oxo cyclopentane and COOH is carboxylic acid. Right, completed. Next one. Next example. This is also contains two functional groups. One is COOMg. COOMg means COOR type, ester. And this is C double bond O, ketone. But in priority order, this functional groups comes first. Based on this one, give the numbering for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. At fourth position, oxo is present. Completed. Yes, one more small problem is there. Before going to write this one, because this is also acts as substitution, because COOH converted as COOMe. Me means methyl, ET means ethyl. Okay, so this is methyl substituted ester. So 4-oxocyclohexane, keep in bracket. So before this one, write this one, that is methyl 4-oxocyclohexane, right? Cyclohexane carboxylate ester. If direct attached like this, for this one suffix name is carboxylate. Right, completed. Next one. It contains only one functional group, that is CONH2. CONH2 means amide, and one substitution is present. Give the numbering 1, 2, 3. At third position, methyl group is present. So 3-methyl cyclohexane, 3-methyl cyclohexane, and sometimes we given numbering 1 like that. 1 CONH2 means carboxamide. For this one also we can give 1 here. 1 is given or not, that is not a problem, because 1 means always at first position COOH, COR, CONH2, COX, CHO type of functional groups are present at first position only. So 1 carboxamide. Okay, Nana? Right. So this model is also completed. Functional group attached to, if functional groups are attached to the cyclic group. Okay, right. Next one. Next, fourth type. See this. This is cyclic group. This is alkyl type. But in that alkyl group contain only 2 carbons, but cyclic group ring contain 4 carbons. So based on the before examples, give the main priority for this one. But that alkyl group contains multiple bond. So which one takes the main priority means this one having the main priority. And this is 1 carbon, this is another carbon. For this carbon, the cyclic group is attached. So give the numbering 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. So for this one acts as the main part of this organic compound. So this one acts as a substitution. So at first position, the cyclic butane is present. That's why you can write it is cyclobutyl. What is this compound? Cyclobutyl. So at which position? First position. Cyclobutyl. Okay, Nana? Cyclobutyl. Ethene. Okay, Nana? Right. Next example. This is cyclic ring, contains 3 carbons. This is alkyl part, but this one contains 2 carbons. So 3 same, but this alkyl part containing functional group and also multiple bond. But comparing these two, functional group and multiple bond, which is the main one? Functional group is the main one. So based on this one, this is the main part, then automatically this part acts as a substitution. So give the numbering 1, 2, 3, and this part acts as a substitution. So 3 at third position, cyclopropyl. 3-cyclopropyl. Substitution part is completed. Next, in alkyl part, how many carbons are present? 3 carbons. So prop. And bond type, what type of bond it is? Double bond. At which position? Between 2 and 3 means 2 is the least. 2 in. Last one functional group, 1 oic acid. 1 oic acid. Next example. See this one. Cyclic part contains 6 carbons, but alkyl part contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. This is lesser than this one, but this one contains functional group and also multiple bond. But functional group is the main part. Functional group is the main part. But interesting one is, from this side 1, 2, 3 at third position. From this side 1, 2, 3 third position. But this side only carbons are present. But this side multiple bond is also present. So give the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then this part is acts as substitution. So at first position cyclohexyl. Substitution part is completed. And number of carbons 5 carbons. 5 carbons means pent. Next bond type, double bond is present. At which position? First position. So 1 ene. And what is the functional group? C double bond O means ketone. At what position? Third position. So 3 on. 3 on. Next example. Yes, same type of model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cyclic part contains 5 carbons, but alkyl part contains 4 carbons. But alkyl part contains both multiple bond and also functional group. But based on functional group, we have to give the numbering. Okay, numbering from this side 1, 2 second place. From this side 1, 2, 3 third place. If from this side even multiple bond is present, but position is 3. From this side second position. So must we give lowest number to the main priority one. So give the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. So this one acts as a substitution. At fourth position cyclopentyl. 4 cyclopentyl. Substitution part is complete. Number of carbons 4. So bute. And bond type, double bond is at 3 and 4 means lowest number 3. 3 ene. And last one functional group at second place 2 on. Okay, completed. Next example. Next example. See this one. Right. Cyclic part contains 4 carbons. Alkyl part contains only 3 carbons. But alkyl part contains functional group. So based on this one, give the numbering 1, 2, 3. Right? And this even that cyclic part contains multiple bond. But alkyl part contains functional group. What is the main one? Functional group is the main one. That's one. Based on that functional group, given the numbering for this organic compound. So at third position, this part is acts as substitution. What is this part? This is cyclobutene. What is this part? Cyclobutene. Okay, Nana. So 3 cyclobute at what position? For this one, give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. This is numbering because here double bond is present. So bute 1 ene. This is the substitution part is completed. Next, number of carbons 3. 3 means prop. Bond type only single bond. So prop and 1 all. Or simply we can write propanol. For this part we can write propanol is also correct one. Next, if this double bond is present here, then what is the name of the compound? See the same model example. So here also numbering 1, 2, 3. Third place this one present, but inside the numbering 1, 2, 3. Sir, why are you writing numbering starts from here means because it is already attached to the main long chain. That's why give the first. This is the first carbon attached to the main chain. So give the numbering for 1. Don't start from this side from this carbon or from this carbon. Okay. Now what is the name? This is also 3 cyclobute. But at what position? At second position, double bond is present. So 3 cyclobute 2 ene and remaining part prop 1 all or propanol. Okay, right. Next one. Same model. We know that rules of this one, fifth type in this type of compounds. Check it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. 6 carbons present in the cyclic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 carbons present. But functional group is present. Okay, Nana? Right. Give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. And this part is acts as substitution. For the inside, give the numbering for this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, at third place, cyclohex. 3 cyclohex. At what position double bond is present? 2. 2 ene, or sometimes write like this enyl. It is also correct. 2 ene or 2 enyl. In most of the cases we are writing enyl like this. Okay, 2 enyl. So substitution part is completed, right? Butane, because 4 carbons are present in the long chain. Butane 1 ol or butanol. This is ol because alcohol is present. Right. For these for 2 examples also we can write like this. Yes. 3 cyclobutene, or also we can write enyl. 2 enyl. And here also 1 enyl because like alkyl part. Okay, Nana? Next example. This is cyclic part. This is alkyl part, but alkyl part contains the functional group. So, but functional group contains the carbon. So, give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 4th position, this one is present. So, 4. But inside, give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, that cyclic part is also contains substitution. So, inside bracket 4 methyl cyclohex. The third position 3 enyl. Completed. Substitution part total completed. And how many carbons in the alkyl part? 5 carbons are present. So pentane 1 oic acid or pentanoic acid. Both are correct. Pentanoic acid is also correct answer. Next example. See this example. Functional group is present here. Means alkyl part contains the functional group. Give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. This part acts as a substitution. At 4th place, cyclopentyl ring is present. But give inside numbering for this one 1, 2, 3. Of course, this is also contains functional group, but it is not a main functional group because this is the main functional group. Then how can we write? The cyclic part is attached at 4th place. So 4. Inside a 3rd position, this one is acts as a substitution. What is the substitution name of OH? Hydroxy cyclopent. At 1st place, double bond is present. Enyl. Substitution is part is completed. Okay, number of carbons but, and bond double bond is present. 3 ene and 1 oic acid. Completed. Next example. See this example. Yes, NHET, Nana. This is C double bond O. This is NHET. NHET means NH2 type. This is OH. This is C double bond. 3 functional groups are present. But this is the main functional group. So remaining these two are acts as substitutions. And this is cyclic part. This is the alkyl part. Are you understand? So this one acts as the main one. So give the numbering 1, 2. At 2nd place, this alkyl part is attached. Okay. For alkyl part, give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very big one. Listen carefully. first at second place for this one, for the cyclic ring, second place this alkyl group is present. Okay, right. This is also substitution for amine. So 5 at 5th place NH2 group is present. 5 amino ethyl. I understand, this is one substitution. The substitution also contains substitution. This is another substitution. But this is, what is this substitution? Amine. Amino means amines, dummy name is amino. So 5 amino ethyl, and this is second place 2 hydroxy, 5 carbons in chain, so pentyl. Substitution part is completed. And now cyclo, this part is cyclo, hex, single bonds, ane, 1 one. Okay, Nana, this is this compound name. Okay, clear? Next model. Sixth model. These are sixth model. Right. Cyclic part contain one functional group. Alkyl part is also contains one functional group. But both are same functional groups. Both are same functional groups means there is no priority. But then if both functional groups are present in cyclic ring and also alkyl part, so which one having the more number of carbons? Cyclic part contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. Alkyl part contains 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So this one contains the main part, means more number of carbons, means this part acts as the substitution. Right, based on this one, give the number. This is the main functional group 1, 2. At second position, this alkyl group is present. So give the numbering for that alkyl part also. Here for this carbon, this alkyl group is attached, means give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. What is the name of this compound? This is the substitution. Write that one, 2. At second place, for this compound second place, this alkyl group is present. But this alkyl group, actually 4 carbons are there. 4 carbons means just we can write directly 2 butyl. But the substitution is also contains another substitution. So that is at second place C double bond O, ketone. But ketone dummy name is oxo, 2-oxo butyl. Yes, substitution part is completed. Substitution part is completed. Now what is the remaining part? This one. This one means cyclo, hex, no, only single bonds, hexane and 1 one, or cyclohexanone, both are correct. Now again, see this. CHO in cyclic part, CHO in alkyl part. Now count the number carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbons are present in the alkyl part. In cyclic part contains only 6. So this one acts as the main functional group. This one acts as the main one. This part acts as the substitution. Give the numbering, because this one contains the main functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in alkyl part, at 8th carbon, for 8th carbon, this substitution is attached. What is this substitution? 8. This is the first carbon, this is the second carbon. Okay, second carbon contains the CHO group, but here this CHO group acts as dummy part. So 2 dummy part means formyl. CHO dummy name is formyl. 2-formyl cyclo. Remaining part is cyclic group and 6 carbons are present, cyclohexyl. Okay, 8 2-formyl cyclohexyl. And now come to the alkyl part. How many carbons? 8 carbons. 8 carbons means oct. Only single bonds or double bond? Double bond is present at 6th position. So oct 6-ene and 1-all. This is this compound name. Next one, 7th model. 7th model. This is cyclic one. This is also cyclic one. But we know very well about this one. This is the benzene ring. This is the benzene ring. So this is the main one, this is the dummy one, right? So dummy one attached to the this carbon, means for any carbon looks like same structure, so don't give the numbering because only one substitution is present, and the substitution name is cyclopent. So cyclopentyl, and this is benzene, cyclopentyl benzene. Okay, next one. Here also this is benzene, this is cyclic. This one also contains 6 carbons, but benzene also contains 6 carbons and also 3 double bonds present inside. This is the main one, this is acts as dummy one. So this part is dummy part, but this one contains one substitution, this one also contains substitution. So for this one, if it is taken as the first carbon, because this is cyclo, this is nitro, this is the main substitution. Actually this is benzene. For this benzene, this is one substitution, this is another substitution, but this is the main substitution. So based on that one, give the numbering 1, 2, 3. At first position this is present, and but that substitution also contains substitution. For that identification of that substitution, give the numbering. And yes, at third place nitro group, at first place cyclohexyl. Okay, H comes first, so write this one first, 1 inside. At third place ethyl group is present, 3 ethyl. Okay, cyclohexyl. See, this substitution part is completed. And another substitution at third place, 3 nitro, okay, benzene. Right, today class completed. Thank you very much.